Hey guys, it's Corey from CorySurvival. Today I just want to give a special thanks to everybody in my community for sticking with me throughout the past few years. I've been doing a lot of working when I first started, and I was struggling a little bit just to get these videos posted for you guys, but I've actually got a nice steady schedule of videos being posted every week, and I've figured out a system on how to get those videos to you guys, so it's working out perfect for me so far. I want to give a special thank you to Hiking Deep for shouting me out in his video the other day, or not the other day, but a few weeks ago or months ago, something like that, a while back. Thank you so much. I think you gave me like 8 to 10 subscribers for doing that, so I greatly appreciate it. I can't thank you enough for that. I also want to give a special thanks to Jeff Smith. He did a VR 1000 to 1000 response from someone else's channel. I can't remember her name. I did watch her video though. But I'm going to respond to it. Oh, by the way, thanks Jeff Smith for shouting me out. I appreciate it too. I think I got like 5 or 6 subscribers from that, so that was awesome. Thank you. Once again, I can't thank you enough for that. But yeah, as a response to that VR, I'm going to go ahead and shout out Mike Hines. He's part of Way of Life Outdoors and Survival. He's a phenomenal guy. He does a lot of primitive like techniques, a lot of showing you what to use, wild edibles like yucca, chicory, a bunch of things like that. He also does a lot of archery hunting. So if you guys are into that type of thing, go ahead and check him out. I know I am into that type of thing, so I find him very interesting, and he only has like 21 subscribers. So go over there and check him out and give him a little bit of a hand, guys. As a little bit of a channel update on my end, I did get rid of my trout adventure videos, as well as how to use a rooster tail. I wasn't much of a fan of how I put those videos together, and I kind of want to redo them a little bit. I'm even thinking about letting you guys choose the name for my new trout fishing series, so I think that would be awesome. Another thing is how to use a rooster tail. I'm just going to completely redo that one. Probably go to a few lakes and do a few videos on that, kind of like I'm doing with the jerkbait and the drop shot rig. So, but yeah, if you guys want to, go ahead and figure out a name on what you want my trout fishing series to be called, and I'd love to hear them. Go ahead and just leave them down in the comments. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and ask a question, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. I post a lot of survival videos and fishing videos once a week. So if you guys are into that type of thing, go ahead and subscribe. I'd like to have you guys a part of my community. As always, keep living, keep fishing, and I'll see you guys in my next video.